amigos, I'm so happy to share my vegan Carlota de Limon recipe. It took me a while to get it to you, but I finally perfected it and it tastes just as creamy and delicious as the traditional dairy-based one. I'm also going to show you 2 different ways that you can present it and serve it. Remember that if you want the dairy, lime, or strawberry versions, you can find them both on my channel as well as on my blog. Just like the traditional version, we start off by juicing fresh limes, and please don't use the lime juice from the little plastic bottles because the taste won't be the same or good for that matter. Now, the secret to making dairy-free Carlota is to use silken tofu to achieve that creamy consistency. And don't worry because your Carlota will not taste like tofu. It just makes it creamier and helps hold the consistency better. I use coconut evaporated milk and coconut sweetened condensed milk. And don't worry, the Carlota will not taste like coconut. It just tastes like the traditional tart lime sweet flavor. We also need vanilla extract and we'll blend it on low until it's nice and creamy but not full of air. Then you're going to look at how much Carlota mixture you have and you'll need to divide it in your head by 6 because that's how many layers we'll be using. In an 8x8 glass dish, pour some of the creamy mixture, then place a layer of the Maria cookies and you can fill in the gaps to create a thicker base. Then you're going to repeat this process with the creamy mixture and the cookie layers until you run out of the mixture. I recommend that you don't add more than 5 layers of the cookies for the best texture and taste. The very last layer should be the lime mixture on top, and you're going to smooth it out, cover it, and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or overnight so it properly sets. But I also highly recommend freezing it for a frozen treat and a tighter texture. So for a fun presentation, you can serve the Carlota in individual jars and you'll get more servings this way, but it also makes a very cute presentation that I just love. You'll also need to leave these in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight so they fully set. In the 8x8 dish, I slice into 9 servings, but you can get more servings if you make the slices smaller. If you refrigerated it, make sure to serve right before serving because the texture becomes looser as it starts to come to room temperature. And if you froze it, you can set it on the counter to soften for a little bit to make the slicing easier. Then you're going to decorate it with a slice of lime, a mint leaf, or with lime zest and crumbled up Maria cookies. Whatever you'd like is fine. And you're ready to enjoy. This is such a delicious treat. I know you're going to love it, and it tastes so much like the traditional version. And remember, friends, that the full recipe is in the description, and if you want a free printable version, you can click on the link to go to the recipe card and my website. And please remember to like the video and leave me a comment letting me know what you think. If you've made it, you're going to make it. And have a beautiful day.